Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to discuss about New York to Chicago flight timing and how much money you have to pay if you want to you guys like book any ride related to New York to Chicago. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you like the pricing is depends on time to time. Maybe the current pricing is not available after some time, and maybe after some time the price is very high. So the current pricing is totally depends on time period. Okay, now if we talk about like what is the main, you can say like think how much time it will take to reach at your destination. Okay, so first thing I want to tell you, you can see over on your screen, this is the flight route basically. Okay, this is New York to Chicago. Okay, and if we talk about like flight timing, basically it take up to like 2 hours to 30 minutes to 2 hour 40 minutes, 40 to 50 minutes non-stop. Okay, and if you take any stop, if if any flight is going by stop, then it will take lots of time, like approx 21 hour or 22 hours. So it depends on you can say like flight to flight. Okay, and the flight timing is also depends on flight to flight. Like if you going with Spirit Airlines, then it will take only like 2 hour 35 minutes, and if you are going like Southwest Airlines, then it will take 2 hour 40 minutes, but the average time period is like plus 2 hours. Okay, and in between 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours it will going to take time. And the pricing, you can see the current pricing is like $353 to $400 or $500, depends on flight to flight or airlines to airlines. Okay, now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.